Hello there, it's me, Yoshi. Today cause I having a good day today. I like to do something special for my own. Oh, that's my iPhone. It's a message. You've got mail. Who's it from? Listen.
Oh, Yoshi, I am going to your house tonight because I like to make it special. Love from Angry Bird Red.
It's from the Angry Birds. I wonder how long it's gonna turn up. 5 minutes later. Ding dong. Hello.
Hello, Yoshi.
Hi, Red Angry Bird. What's up?
I like to make it special.
Will you still get angry with me?
No.
Okay, come on.
So, what we're going to do first?
I have no idea.
Shall we be friends?
Yeah, let's be friends.
Hi guys.
Hi, Patrick.
Have you seen my TV?
It's in the basement.
Oh, thanks.
So, Redbird, I think I like to make someone special like you.
Really?
Yeah. I'm not sure what to do first.
I know. Let's go on your iPod.
Okay.
So, what does it exactly do?
I got this for my birthday. Okay, an iPod is a very simple iPod.
Really?
Yes, this button switches it on.
Wow, that's cool.
And then you can slide it to open. See, I got so many games. Which one should we do first?
Let's play Wheel of Fortune.
Yeah, let's play that. See, everyone? Wheel of Fortune.
Right. Okay.
Right, the rules are very simple. It's a bit like on a normal TV program.
Yes,
I know how to play it. Don't forget that bank robs and might be house attacks.
right. Okay.
Okay, here's the question. True or false? Did Mario got married to Peach before?
No.
Wrong, he did. I'll go first then. Let's spin the wheel.
Let's see what will be the first one.
Water shake. It's a free spin.
So that means you get another go.
Yay.
I'm not sure what will be the next one.
Oh, wait for that.
Only £5.
Yay.
My turn. Let's see what this one will be. Shake. 100 quid.
Here we go.
Oh, let's hope it's not bank rob. No, it's another 100 quid. A free spin.
Once you got the traps, it's my turn. A joker. You're gonna wipe out, so that means it's my turn. Yep.
Let's see what this one will be. Wait,
Tax.
only £10.
Yay.
Now it's my turn.
You're winning.
Yep.
So far, you got about £200 and I got 0 cents.
A free spin.
$2.50.
My turn.
Now you got 450 quid.
Smoke.
My turn. Yeah. Oh, we can't really see now. There it is. Oh, let me be money this time. 50p. I mean £50. Oh. £7.50. 800 quid. I'm in the lead. 100. 9.50. Let's see. I'm gonna buy a bear. Let's have a look. Let's see. Oh, it's going backwards. Sure is. $100. Let's go. 50 cents. One more bear, and then it's back to the forward way. $7.50. There we go. It's in the right way now. Sure is. Smoke. My turn. £50. Joker, drink on the house. Cool. I'm gonna buy myself this. Oh, this one. There we go. My turn. Wow, it's shaking. Joker, a free spin. It's a smoke. $2.50. Drink on house. Yay! I'm gonna have this one. Here we go. Oh, it's smoking again. Joker, 500 quid. Free spin. Wait tax. My turn. Yep. 100. Joker, oh, it's a smoke screen. It's a trap. My turn. Yep. Free spin. One more spin. Council tax. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? Yep. Let's play a different game. What shall we do? How about we, oh, look, there's you. Yeah, it is me. Should we play Angry Birds? Good, that's a good idea. Yeah, let's play Angry Birds. Are you really angry? No. Okay. Look, there's you. Look, everybody, it's him. Yep, I'm a star. Let's have a look. Episode 1. This is the time when the king pig stole my eggs for the first time. Episode 1. There it says. There they are. Oink. Right, here we go. Oh, look, that's me. Oh, sweet. Oh, miss. My turn. Show mommy more. Yay. That was easy. Hey, sorry. One star. That's okay. Oh, 4 pigs. Here we go. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Boing. Fire. One more. Yay. We saved it again. Let's see. One star again. Oh wow. Oh. Oh. Nice shot. Wow, we got some bonuses. How many? Well, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Let's see. 1, 2. Oh, 2 stars. Nearly a 3. Oh well. Never mind. Let's carry on. Wait. Yay! That was fine. My turn. Yeehaw! My turn again. Jamarimo! No. We won't win, but that doesn't matter. We do. Steady. Let's have a look. 1. That's a very low score, isn't it? Yeah. Look, there's more pigs. Get them. Oh, there's some pigs to struck. Come on. Ah. Yay, we defeat them. That's good. No, 2 lads. Now let's have a look. 1, 2, nearly 2 stars. Here we go. Go for it. Oh, push the pig. Oh, nearly. My turn. Come on, Biggie. 4. Yay, he's destroyed. 2 birds. Think we'd be our new score. 1, 2. Oh, but new high score, but not 3 stars. Never mind. Here we go. Go for it. Bang. My turn. Yay. Nuts. My turn. Yay. Oh. Ah. We didn't defeat them all. Listen to the piggies. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, very funny. Right, we'll stop there. 1 out of 7 we're on. So we're there next time. I feel quite getting a little bit bored now. Yeah, me too. Oh, and by the way, if you like us, like us on YouTube. Yeah. Bye for now. See ya.